finally guys, I'll be showing you how you can charge your laptop using the Sun King HomePlus Max. I've actually made a full review about this product on my channel, and I mentioned that I was going to show you how you can use this particular product to charge your laptop, and I failed to bring that video on time to you. So permit me to apologize to every one of you watching this video as of the now, because this video was supposed to have been made about a month or two ago. Yes, I promised I was going to make this video, but I actually failed, which is not intentional. And also, I'll be apologizing to some specific persons on my channel, because I love all of you. I love how you engage with my videos. I love your likes, I love your comments, and I love everything you've been doing on my channel. So as you can see on your screen, Frank Martins actually made this comment. Frank Martins says, "Stop being corny. I've gone through your channel and can't find a video of you showing how it charges battery. Big talk. Name fool your big talk, name fool your mouth." Frank Martins, I'm really sorry that this video did not come on time. I'm really sorry. So you have this video today. So not just that, we have another comment from Symphony as well. Symphony also said, "Please, we are patiently waiting for the full review, especially with a laptop." So Symphony 8618 says, "About 3 hours ago, you promised to make a video for the laptop charging for months now. We've not seen the video yet. You are just in for advertisement." So Symphony, I'm really sorry, because those videos you see coming on my channel after I promised that I was going to make this particular video, they have been shot right even before I even made that video. Some circumstances actually led to me not making this video as at when due, which I sincerely apologize for. But today you have the video, Symphony. Please don't be angry with me anymore. So we also have another comment here. It says, "Can it charge a laptop? I'm seeing something like Type-C charging and my laptop does not have a Type-C." So Empire Classroom, this video is also for you, because I'll be showing you the exact thing you need to do even though your laptop does not have a Type-C. So we also have this comment, "Good morning. Do I need to get a laptop Type-C charger for charging, or I can use the charger that came with it?" So we have all these questions on my comments. These are just the few ones I can check out of the hundreds of comments you have gotten. So I really apologize that this video is not out as soon as I mentioned, but today I'm going to answer all of your questions. And if you have any other questions, you can also feel free to leave it in the comment section of this video. I will also reply to all of your questions. So for everyone I've mentioned and those I did not actually mention on this video, I'm really sorry. Please forgive me. And today you have the video. Please let me know in the comment section if you have watched this video and you actually accepted my apology. So you can go to the comment section and you can say, "Apology accepted. I'm really sorry." So right about now, we'll be going straight to my decks, where I'll show you how you can use this big guy to charge any type of laptop you have. So let's get to my decks now and we'll start the demonstration right away. So guys, for this particular tutorial, these are the basic things we'll be needing. So I'll quickly be showing you the basic things we'll be needing. So this is the laptop we'll be using for this particular tutorial. Yes, so you need your laptop. Once you have your laptop, the most important of it, this is it. Yes, the Sun King HomePlus Max. So this is how it actually looks like. So this is your laptop charger, and we have another cord here just like so. So I'll be showing you what you actually need this cord for. Let's keep this aside for now. So the first thing you need to understand that your laptop charger has nothing to do with this. Your laptop charger, as you can see, this is my laptop charger. I'll be keeping my laptop charger aside. So let's keep it aside quickly. So basically, this is what we need. So we need this, and we need this. So for this guy, so for this particular guy, let's quickly check up this here. Okay. So for this particular guy, so this is a Type-C to either a ACE or a HP pin mount. So this is how the cord is. So this is how the cord is. So once you're getting this cord from the market, you get it for your laptop. So let's quickly see. So this is how the cord is. This is how the cord is. So remember, when you are getting it from the market, remember to request for type C to the particular laptop ports. So for those of you that are using other type of ports, as you can see, this is a new port, this is a different port, so you can request for type C to your port, but I don't have this for now. This is a different charger. Let's take this out. So if you are getting your cord from the market, ensure that you request for type C. You request for type C to the laptop you are currently using. And also remember that if you are requesting for this cord, ensure that you request for a minimum of 60 watts and a maximum of 65 watts. That is what you actually need to charge a laptop. So for now, we'll be keeping this aside, and I'll be showing you how you can do that with this particular product. So for here now, this laptop supports a type C charging. Let me quickly show you that. So as you can see, this laptop actually supports a type C charging, so we'll be using this for now. So let's keep this here. So for those of us that uses a laptop that supports a type C charging, so you need this cord. This is a type C to a type C USB cord. This is how it looks like. Also remember to request for a minimum of 60 watts and a maximum of 65 watts to be able to charge your laptop. So the next thing you need to do, guys, is to take one end of your type C cord, and as you can see, you have this type C port here, just like so. As we can see, this is a type C, and we have this one here, just like so. This is the type one of the end of the type C, so you impute it here, just like so. So as you can see, it has been imputed. So this is how it actually looks like. So before we plug this other end to the laptop, so let's keep it here. Let's quickly confirm the current percentage of our laptop. So here, let's quickly open up the battery percentage. So as you can see, our battery is running on 69%, and this is what we want to use to charge it now. Let's bring this up. Nothing is connected. Then we have this, like so. So you have this guy now, so you need to plug it to the type C port, just like so. So once you plug it, as you can see, it's charging now. As you can see, our laptop is charging. So we're going to stay here to ensure that this laptop actually moves from 69 to 70, 71, maybe 72. So as you can see, as you can see, it's 70 now. From 69, it's 70. There is nothing else powering this laptop. This is what is powering this laptop. Let's move back so that you can see it clearly. This is what is powering the laptop. As you can see, nothing else is connected. This is it. Nothing else is connected. So for those of you that thinks that this product cannot charge a laptop, this product can charge your laptop. And I use this product to charge this particular laptop from 0 to 100 in less than 1 hour. In less than 1 hour, I charge from 0 to 100 with this laptop. 0 to 100 in less than 1 hour. So as you can see, this is the laptop. This is it. This is it. Nothing else is connected. As you can see, nothing else is connected. Nothing else is connected, as you can see. So this is it. Let's quickly check the percentage. As you can see, we are on 71% now. As you can see, it's charging. Let's remove and plug in again. So let me take it back a bit. Remove this, or let's remove from here. Let's bring this closer. Let's remove. As you can see, it stopped charging immediately. So let's plug it back again. As you can see, it has started charging again. So this is actually charging our battery. So with full charge, this is on full charge now. This is on full charge. With full charge, so from my experience with this product charging a laptop, So as you can see, we're on 72%. So from my experience with using this particular product to charge this particular laptop, with a full charge like this, I can charge this laptop about 4 to 5 times before this product gets to the last bar. Yes, I can charge this product for about 4. I can charge this laptop for about 4 to 5 times. So this, as you can see, it's on 73 now. 73. So this might not be applicable to the type of laptop you are currently using. So our experiences might differ depending on your battery capacity and the hours your battery takes to charge. So on a normal ground, using my laptop charger as well, I can charge this battery the same time compared to the time this product will also charge this laptop battery. As you can see, we're on 74 now. So I charge my battery from 0 to 100 in less than 1 hour using this particular product. It serves me even much more faster. I can say it's even more faster than using my traditional laptop charger. So as you can see, this product can actually charge your laptop. As simple as that. This is it. It can charge your laptop. This is 74. So as you can see, it's charging. So basically what you need, if you already have this product, is to get yourself a Type-C to Type-C USB cord of a minimum of 65 watts, a minimum of 60 watts and a maximum of 65 watts. That is what you actually need to charge your laptop. As you can see, it's on 75 now. 75. So our laptop is actually charging. This is it. This is it. So our laptop is plugged in and is charging. So this is it. You see, the laptop will be full in 25 minutes. It will not even get to 25 minutes and the laptop will be full. So what you actually need, so let's take it out now. Let's plug this out. So let's plug this out and see. So we have plugged this out and it has stopped charging. Let's plug this and take this out. So for this now, what you actually need here is to take this end, plug it to the Type-C port here, just like so. Then you take this other end and plug it to your laptop. As you can see, my laptop does not have this particular port. I actually use it for my other laptop. This laptop actually use it for this Acer, but at the moment the Acer is bad. This is it. The Acer is bad. The hard drive, I think I'm having issue with this, so I may not be able to show you how it works. The Acer is bad and I've not fixed this now. Hoping to fix this shortly. So I use it to charge this particular laptop. And for this particular laptop, I actually have the charger. I have not gotten, this is the charger for this particular laptop. So I have not actually gotten the cord for this. Yes, so I still use the traditional charger to charge that particular laptop. So this is what you just need to charge your laptop. So I think with these, I'm able to convince you and not confuse you that this product can actually charge a laptop. So if you like this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, ensure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you get notified each time I create an amazing video just like so.